Folks, good morning. I hope you are doing well wherever you are, okay? Wherever you are watching from, whether you are in Kenya, in the diaspora, I have something to present to you today, something really awesome. I call it a deal of the year, okay? A deal of the year. I have not presented anything of this, quality, anything of this substance throughout the entire year. So that's why I'm calling this one a deal of the year. Now, from the footage you're watching there, I am actually in somebody's homestead. All right, I'm in somebody's homestead. The owner, the real owner of this homestead, you can call them the landlord of this homestead, the homeowner. Okay, I am right in their compound. All right, and what do we have here? So I was just chilling in my office, and the homeowner of this home, gave me a call. Akaniambia, Ezra, you know what? I have something here. I would like you to come and see, and hopefully you can help me in one way or the other. Okay. So now this property here, this property, it is a quarter property. All right. It is in Kiamunyi Mercy Njeri. All right. Mercy Njeri in Nakuru. That is where we have the property you are looking at right now, okay? The homestead where I am. Now, you may ask, what the hell is Ezra doing in somebody's homestead anyway? All right? So, the homeowner of this property, okay, is looking to sell, all right, to dispose this property. And they are doing it because they are relocating, okay? They're relocating to somewhere else within Nakuru still, okay? But now they are looking to dispose this one, and then they move to their new home. So basically that is the major reason. Now, let me break it to you that the person we are dealing with here is the original owner of even the property, the land, and the home itself, okay, of this homestead. So they have their title deed right there. I have a copy of it. So should you be interested, you know what, just DM me and I will forward details. You can go do your search and then we start more progress. So ideally I've broken it to you. This property is for sale. This is a homestead that you can just assume into, okay, and you continue living. You can see the compound there, the garden there, okay. It is a quarter property. The home sits on the 50 by 100 side, and then the front yard, there's a compound there. Now, where I'm heading to right now, the point which you're seeing is, they have a vegetable garden, just on their backyard. Okay, they have a vegetable garden on their backyard, and that is it. Okay, and I'll show you something else which they have here. Okay, so on one side they have a vegetable garden. On the other side, sit tight, don't go anywhere. I'm going to show you what they have here. So the folks here, they built their 3-bedroom home. Okay, a 3-bedroom home, a decent house. All right, they have been living there, but now they are moving away to a different place in Nakuru. And they have done some value additions in this property. Like you can see along the perimeter wall here, they did some flowers there, some flower garden, including some trees again along the fence there. So it is, I told you, it's a quarter property, and I'm just walking along the driveway from that gate there, that blue gate you are seeing there, that is the driveway. Okay, so they had also very good plans, okay, for the future. Like what you're seeing in front, they were thinking of doing, some houses to rent there, about 4 of them. So they did 2 of them, okay, and these are the houses that they had built for rent. But this is how, okay, it is as of this moment. So they are not going to do more progress, okay, beyond what you're seeing. So they have not been lived. So if you assume this property, you can continue with that ambition and you finish these rental homes. Then maybe you can put a gate on the side, okay, for those who will use the rentals. They are bed sitters. For those who will use them, they can be using that. So they had really great plans. You can see the matoke there. Okay, even at the gate there, kuna some sugar cane pale, all right? they were doing some latrine there, okay, you can see on the right. So this is a proper homestead, okay. I can see some logs on the compound, you know, some bricks there, you know, which were part of the construction of these bed sitters. I mean, what you're seeing is what you are coming to get. Okay, so the gutter, you know, on those bed sitters, kumekuwa kukinyesha, so it has been raining. Okay, so they have managed to harvest some water there with that 100-liter, you know, can there. All right. So, I mean, what you're seeing is what you will get. I mean, this is real marketing, okay? This is not that marketing where you do, you know, just show them the good part, you know, neglect the other part. No, I mean, this is exactly how that homestead is, okay? So that is the front yard. What you're seeing right there, from that gate there, the front yard, they have done some trees there, some avocados on the garden there. I mean, it is really a homestead, okay, that you can just assume and you continue with life. All right, so I'm going to tell you how much they're giving, you know, this parcel at. They're giving it at a very affordable price. Okay, I'm calling it affordable because if you have been watching my videos of property in Kiamunyi, okay, and I may advise, just go and see maybe 2-3 other properties which I have you know, advertised from Kiamunyi. Compare the price and what I'm about to tell you. This property is going for 5.6 million only. Okay, the home plus everything there, the value additions, everything that has been done there, you are going to get it for 5.6 million. I mean, this is that's why I said it is a deal of the year. So on one side of the home we saw, of the backyard, we saw there was the vegetable garden. On the other side is they have a chicken pen there. You see the chickens in there? Okay, so I just walked to this place and you can see clearly this person has even been rearing chickens. Actually, the guy gave me a crate of kienyeji eggs. Okay, those are kienyeji chicken. And as part of the job which I was doing for him. By the way, I'm very thankful, Mr. Tim. So he gave me a crate of kienyeji eggs, okay? So, and I'm thankful for that. So I just walked to that chicken pen. On one side of the backyard, there's a vegetable garden. On the other side, they have a chicken pen there. So let me, you know, zoom out from this place, okay? Zoom out from our homestead right there. That is our homestead, so that you get to see the surrounding of Mercy Njeri and you know where this property is located. You can see my car right there at the gate. Okay, now we are moving away, okay? So, I mean, it is a residential area. Now, from there is a road on the far left. I don't know if you can see it. So that home is just about 70 meters from that road, okay? It's a main road. It is a Maram road, which is due for, you know, for upgrading actually, all right, at Mercy Njeri. So that road is supposed to be tarmacked. So I just moved away from that. We are now crossing the railway line. All right, there's a railway line that crosses Mercy Njeri. If you don't know Mercy Njeri very well, go to Nakuru Beyond the City, episode 13, and see Mercy Njeri. So we just passed the Nakuru Kabarak road. It is just in front of those trees. Okay, I can see there's a car which has passed down there. All right, very well. So let's get a good view of the, you know, of the road, of the main highway now. Yeah, I can see a matatu there. Okay, that matatu probably going to Mogotio, that side. You know, Ravine, ETC, Baringo. So that is the tarmac road that comes from Nakuru town CBD, passes, you know, through Kiamunyi Mercy Njeri, down to Kabarak, you know, all the way to Baringo County. Okay, so just giving you a perspective of where our home is, all right? And now we have another main road on that side. It is a Moram road, okay? It's an estate road cutting through Mercy Njeri, and it can go all the way to Sobea, actually, to touch now the Nakuru Eldoret highway, okay? That Moram road on the left of your screen, okay, you can see there's a red car passing through that road on the left of your screen. So from that road to where our home is just 70 meters. You can see our home there, okay? You can see that is our home with the red roof. That is the homestead, okay? So you can see where the home is, and you know the rest of the plot. So it is a 1/4 acre plot, okay? that, well, should you wish to assume, ownership and you continue living there while you plan your future, should you wish to come there and take everything down and do, commercial, maybe an apartment, well, totally up to you. All those are options. But what you're seeing is what you will get. This is real time. This is real marketing. Okay? This is not like show them this side, but don't show them that side. And then a customer comes to the ground and they're like, I did not see this, stuck your deal. Me, I've shown you exactly what you see is what you will get. So the day you will meet me, it will be a matter of EZRA, bring the papers, sign here, sign here. You'll only do a site visit and then we advance the papers and you assume ownership of this home. So 5.6 million, a quarter acre property at Kiamunyi Mercy Njeri. This is the deal of the year. There is no other deal like this. My number is on the screen.